Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So Carl, my fiance, well, she registered for a book a surprise with Experience Philippines without me knowing, because it was our anniversary around almost 2 weeks ago. So I completely did not know about it. I'll tell you something about book a surprise with Experience Philippines. So hello. So when you book a surprise, you just tell them what date you want to travel, what kind you tick off some boxes so Experience Philippines knows what kind of travel you want to do. So if you want to go to a beach, you want to have a relaxing session, you want to go adventure, so you just tick off some check boxes during the registration, but you completely don't know what's going to happen, where you're going to be sent. And that's exactly what happened here right now. Carl booked us a surprise, and yesterday we just got the boxes. It was hand delivered to us, and obviously I'm part of Experience Philippines, but even I was surprised because I didn't know what was happening. I didn't know what's going to be inside that box, and I didn't know where we were going to be, and where we're going, and what we were going to be doing. Hey everyone, so today we got a book a surprise. My fiance, that's her, she booked us a book a surprise from Experience Philippines. So yeah, we are going on a surprise trip. We don't know where, so we're just going to find out by opening this envelope that we just received, hand delivered and properly glued, it seems. Alright, so we're just gonna rip this apart. And for our book a surprise, now I know I'm a part of Experience Philippines, but whoever books book a surprise that would not know where they're going, that includes me. So we are going to Club Morocco. Woo! Oh my gosh, this is great. Okay, so apparently we are going to Club Morocco Subic.
Wow!
That's our picture. Alright. So it was our anniversary. Yo, go ahead, read it. Go ahead, read it.
Dear Carl and Jeff, happy anniversary. Guess what? It's for me. Carl asked us to plan about book a surprise weekend for you, Jeff. Knowing both of you, the more important thing is to enjoy each other's company and creating new memories. So I think this weekend is all about that, doing things together. We hope you'll find this weekend happy and meaningful for yourself. Perhaps after this, you'll even you will even fall more in love with each other. We have so much to share with the world with your influence. We can truly make a difference. Lots of love from all of us, and welcome to Experience Philippines family.
Oh, that's so nice. Yeah. Let's open this one. Should I open this one?
Yep.
Yeah. I'm going to rip this apart, okay? Oh my god, that is very well packed. Right, so we got a globe, we got a Star Wars pest dispenser. Darth Vader will satisfy your sweet cravings. Yeah, that's cool. We got some nice little charm bracelets, and ooh, this is nice. It is a survival key thingy majig. And can't go hungry on our trip, so they got us some snacks. And yep, from our sponsor Hell Energy. That's really always a great thing. And this is a really nice bottle. Simplicity is the ultimate satisfaction, and it really is. So we got 2 Hell Energy drinks, and I wonder what this is, since just in case, I'm not sure if I wanted to show you this to you. Yeah, probably not. It's for my eyes only. Alright, okay. So yeah, this is a cool box.
Compact mirror. For what it serves, it will have us. What's this? There is a reason why you're reading this with Jeff. Always believe that relationship should be between 2 people and not the whole world. At the end of the day, what matters is your and Jeff's happiness. Your love story may inspire other couples to just decide what makes them happy and fight for it. And the best love stories will always be from those who never gave up and just believe that things will work out as long as you guys are together. Hey, happy anniversary. This is cute.
Nice.
Oh, I have up and yes.
Very nice.
And I have snacks. I have towel and I have bottle opener.
Bottle opener. Alright, here we go! Woo! Woo! Wala break!
Mainit yung
Mainit!
Mali! Una ka na!
So today we are here at Club Morocco here in Subic, Zambales, and it's a very nice luxury resort. It's a little bit old, but you can see that the styling, even our rooms was really big. The facilities here, they have really nice pools. I really like the service of the staff. They're really nice, very accommodating. So it really makes up for the aging interiors and the aging building of Club Morocco. The last night, yesterday late afternoon, we departed from Manila, and we were off straight to have lunch in Subic Bay Freeport, and at Coco Lime, where they had their specialty was binalot na adobo or something like that. Adobong binalot. I'll just maybe put some subtitles. I'm not sure about the name. Something like that. It's adobong binalot. We had that. I had some Thai barbecue, garlic, chicken basil, and stuff like that. So it was a really nice dinner. And after that, we headed to 1925 Gastropub, where we just had a couple of Coronas to cap the night off, and then we headed back here. We headed here to Club Morocco and to get some well-deserved rest. But yeah, this morning it was just about we flew our Mavic earlier. I flew Shara, my quad, and right now we're just chilling by the pool before we leave for our next destination. So we're here right now at Northwind Farms in Palawig, Zambales, which is around 2 to 2.5 hours drive from Olongapo. So after we left Club Morocco around 11:30 or 12 noon, we went to Barreto, Zambales, where we went to the coffee shop restaurant, where we had jumbo tacos, which is a really huge taco. So we had that for light lunch. And yeah, so we headed here afterwards, and we got here around middle of the afternoon, around 3:30, where we were served some pancit for merienda. And this trip has been a really great food trip since we left. Since we left, because when we got these Book of surprise boxes, they were filled with chocolates, snacks, goodies, and we also got a box of Dunkin' Donuts. So we were never hungry, and we ate at Coco Lime yesterday. And when we checked into Club Morocco, there was a huge red ribbon cake with some green greetings written on it, but yeah, it was a really nice coffee cake. So it's been we've been eating all throughout, and we are so full. We've just had dinner, and right now we're having wine. So here at Northwind Farms, there's some alpacas. We saw some sheep, some ostriches, and we're some goats, and we're going to check out the rest of the farm tomorrow. But yeah, right now I'll probably show you some videos of this of our kubo in the morning. But yeah, this is a really cute, a really cozy little kubo that we have for our room tonight. It's not big, but it is very comfortable, and it has some space for either another person or for our stuff in this case. So here's Carl. Hi, Carl. It's our second day here at Northwind Farms, and earlier today we went went around the farm tour, and we saw all of the goat houses, the alpacas. They have some ostriches, different kinds of chickens, or different kinds of chickens for different kinds of meat or eggs. And they also have what they have here. They have horses, and they even have some a couple of golden retrievers here. So it is a really great place. So shout out to Irish for arranging everything here at Northwind Farms, and Miss Casey. And unfortunately, right now we have to head back home to Manila. But I hope you enjoyed coming along on our anniversary trip. None of this would have been possible if my fiance Carl didn't book us a surprise with Experience Philippines. So do check that out. So when you sign up for Book a Surprise, you tick some boxes what kind of trip profile you want. If you want an adventure-packed trip, or if you want a more relaxing or even a spiritual kind of trip. And this trip has been somewhere in the middle of those. So the prices starts at 5,000 pesos up per person. Now you might want to put this into perspective. So all of the things that we experienced since Friday night, that was all inclusive. So all of the the gas money, toll money, food, lodging, and everything, all of the activities, they were all pre-arranged and all budgeted for. So imagine paying just $100. I'm not sure this particular trip how much Carl paid for it, but imagine at just over, let's say $120 for per person for this trip, and you get all of those. So do check that out at experience.ph, or search for us on Facebook. Look for Experience Philippines. All right. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, click on the like button, and make sure you're subscribed. And also, I got to fly my drones, my Mavic Air, as well as Shara, my Martian quad. I was able to fly a lot during this weekend, so I haven't been able to post recently some of my One Pack Wednesdays, so do expect that I'm going to be posting a lot more content in the coming days. All right. So anyway, in the meantime, keep building and keep flying. Alpaca.
Ang pangalan? Alpaca. Meron silang meeting sa taas. Sa ibang.
Ayun na akong sungitan itong isa. Tapos sinusungitan ako.